Angie in. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So 7 plus 5 is 12.
So it's 12.
That, right there. It's a 1 and a 2. So draw a 1 first and then a 2. There. That's good enough. Now, what 4 plus 4? Remember, 4 plus 4 is not 5.
What is it?
Well, let's just give you these.
I don't want to read. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me.
4 plus 4. Now count. All together.
Don't wait for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So what's 8? Remember? 8. You can do either a circle, or how I and Mom do it. Now, 2 plus 6. Doesn't seem that hard, but at the first try, it might be a little hard.
Mom, does this look perfect?
Oh yeah, good job. I love it.
She did it how we do it.
You're getting so good. Good job, yeah.
Even though you're doing math, you're actually practicing your numbers too.
Super true.
You're practicing drawing your numbers and you're learning how to do math.
Good job. Grace, you're a magnificent teacher.
3, 0, 1,
3 plus 7.
3 plus 7.
Let's just get 3 and then 7. So, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, let me just count these out, or should I say, put them down in the right order, not like spreading them apart, but all together. And now let's just get 3 more out and get them apart from the 7, and then you count them all together, like we have been. This is 3, 7. Now count them all together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. You haven't done a 10 yet. You've only done 11 and 12. So a 10 is like this. Give me your pencil for a second. A 10 is like this. Look, watch. It's a 1 and then a circle. A circle. In numbers, circles are zeros. So 1 0 is a 10. And a 0
Mom, like
and
the,
an O are zeros.
Mom, like the 0.
Oh yeah, good job.
Thanks.
You're doing amazing.
Now, Angie, please sit down right and put your book back. 6 plus 1.
6 plus 1.
I would tell you, but you're learning. And I don't want you to learn, well, by me telling you stuff. I want you to learn by school books.
And figuring it out for yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, Mom.
have a helmet.
Oh, never mind. Angie does better 7s than me. And that's like her first time.
Don't give yourself too much of a hard time. You just now are having glasses in school, so you'll probably have better handwriting now that you got glasses. Now that you have glasses.
5 plus 5. Ooh, like 4. Oh, yeah. Okay. If you do, remember what I said? 5 plus 5 is...
I got the angle out of there, Mama.
No.
Good so.
Yeah, no, it's not 2.
What is it?
You gotta find out yourself. By pencil.
5.
5 plus 5. It seems easy, but your first time, it's kind of, maybe, let's say, a little tricky. This is your first time and you're doing really good.
Hello, baby.
Now, video friends. Let's say I'm going to be sitting on the couch now, being all comfy. And I'm going to be using my fingers, not pencils. Or I could just use maybe 1 second.
Yeah, 1 second.
I'm using fingers. Now, 8 plus 3. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Now just need an 8. 1.
No, 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 no.
Here's a 3 like that's a 4. So just take 1 out and you go into that's
Wait, what?
I have to go back to the table where it's uncomfy.
Wait, I can put the table there.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Hey guys, hi. Hi. Hey guys, use the kickers now. I think the kickers baited because that one was
So 3.
What?
8. 3 plus 8.
Okay,
Okay, video friends, if you want to learn math and you're watching this, if you can see this right now, wait a second. Now, everyone, if you're uncomfy and you have a table that you want to sit at, then if you have a couch and blankets and pillows, use that
you
and
can have
have a
this.
chair.
You can have this book now, but only if you draw good lane and then you'll get the kicker. And at math, this is math, but at math, it's at ABC Mouse is math, and this is math. Okay?
Then download ABC Mouse. It has math and different kind of learning activities.
I can see you guys.
We know Gian. Gian is our brother, if you haven't heard.
Hey.
Now, that's comfier. If you are sitting at a table and you don't have a comfy chair, then, and if you have a couch and blankets and pillows, then use your pillows or however you do it and make a chair with those. Like if you were a kid and you made a tent. Now, Angie, let's do pluses. Angela.
Now, I'm almost done with pressing. At the other page, it's going to be more pressing. That is going to be super fun.
This is just
ABC Mouse.
This is just plussing. And you should probably read this. You should probably read this if you want this book. Because it's a school book of plussing. I'm done with kindergarten. I'm going in first grade. She's still in
my old school.
Your old school, which I would say preschool, but I don't know what kind of school it is.
I'm wearing this. I'm wearing.
She's learning letters in the 100 lessons.
Yeah, I'm wearing this shirt and this thing.
Okay, it doesn't matter what shirts you're wearing, but it's cool that you showed them. Now, let's do the pluses. Now, so you already know that it's 11, so draw 1, 1. All together, 1, 1. Just like that and that. Oh, you're really good. Now, 4 plus 5. Ooh, I guess that's the same way. Now, everyone that hasn't heard, we are grabbers. And yeah, like our mom, dad, my dad is at work, and my mom and dad are grabbers too. But Gracie and me and Gideon are grabbers too. We just have the real cell, but we have to be over the real cell. Every single thing we bought. Angela, tell me what this is.
1, 2, 3. I mean, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you so careful with them?
And now you've got to count this. But all together. And let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With the picture cap.
9. You know how to draw 9. Girl. 9. Listen. It's like this. Right there. 9.
So they can see what you're doing.
Okay. If you have that book or another plus book, and you don't have,
Or any kickers
and you don't know,
on a book.
Gideon.
and you don't know how to, wait a minute. I forgot what I was going to say, so camera? Okay. 4 plus, hey, this chair is not. Just so you know, you might want to not use circle pillows when you're making a pillow chair.
You guys, you like my picture? I want all these wings. I need lanes because I wanted these some kickers. Hey, I needed the mom dad one so they can match the daughter and son.
Okay,
And
now
the daughter and the monkey.
Now, let's do this. 4 plus 6. Now, camera. If you have a math book and, well, you don't have enough fingers to do like, maybe like something like high numbers, then, or, never mind, not enough fingers, but you don't know how to use your fingers like that, never mind. But anyway, like I was saying, if you have that book and you don't want to use your fingers, then if you have some coloring pencils, use those. Or if you have some magnets, use those. Use anything you like. Maybe even your pillows if you have enough. Now, here's the eraser, Angie. If you need it, we have a big eraser. We got it from Walmart. Just so you know, if you can imagine what this is in your mind, or maybe unknown, but if you are doing math too and you don't want to do it with your school books, then turn on this video and maybe show me what these answers are when I sometimes put them together or not. Just so you know, this is still our first page right now.
Grace, math is so fun. This is so first one, Grace.
Maybe you can download ABC Mouse. Or not. Everyone that doesn't have school books, you should probably download ABC Mouse on the App Store.
Yeah, on the App Store. It's super fun. You can do anything you want, like ABC Mouse.
This is not a sponsored video.
You probably see this crayon right by me. Hey, Gideon, can you please take this crayon? Very cute. You can put it in the crayon thing. And Gideon,
Do you don't need it because it's low No, not biggie.
Well, no, we just are using colored regions. Now we are done with this video. Done with the math. Because, well, I got bored and I think this has been a long enough video. Like and subscribe. Anyway, goodbye.